This morning, the Omicron surge having a major effect on travel as millions take to the roads and air. Overnight, major airlines like Delta and United proactively canceling hundreds of flights scheduled for today, citing crew shortages due to COVID. United says it's notifying customers before they get to the airport. With new cases already surpassing the Delta variant's peak, people from coast to coast are rushing to get tested before gathering for the holidays.
In order to be safe, we decided that the whole family should be tested.
In California, cars lined up all day. This clinic at the airport in Palm Springs says demand has tripled this week. And in New York City, people waited in the cold for hours for at-home tests. But the nation's biggest city is only able to give away 10,000 kits per day. Despite the testing shortage, the city announcing that the New Year's Eve celebration in Times Square will happen, but with a much smaller crowd and with masks and vaccines required. With CDC models suggesting the Omicron cases might not peak in the U.S. until early January, the White House acknowledging the country's testing is not adequate.
We're not where we need to be on testing. No one is saying we are.
But signs of hope going into the holidays. For the second time this week, the FDA authorizing a COVID-19 pill, this time from Merck, shown to reduce the risk of severe illness by 30%. That's far less than the 89% reduction from Pfizer's pill, though Merck's pill is expected to be more readily available than Pfizer's in the coming months. And new data from the UK suggests Omicron patients may be 50 to 70% less likely to be hospitalized than those with the Delta variant, though experts warn it's too early to know for sure. Hospitalization numbers are still a major concern across the U.S., with nearly 71,000 patients with COVID currently receiving care. Driving those numbers, the unvaccinated. A Minnesota ICU nurse says that although she doesn't speak on behalf of her employer, in her hospital, nearly every ICU bed is taken and at least 95% are unvaccinated.
It's really, really immensely difficult to deal with death every day that could have been prevented.
One hospital in her state bringing in a refrigerated truck after its morgue reached capacity. Even former President Trump, while still against vaccine mandates, reiterating his support for the shots.
The ones that get very sick and go to the hospital are the ones that don't take the vaccine. But it's still their choice. And if you take the vaccine, you're protected.
Back to those canceled flights due to COVID. It's not just Delta and United. Alaska Airlines is impacted as well, even paying healthy employees to work added shifts this weekend.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.